Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below. Today I feel tired, I feel worn out. A couple days ago I went to Boston and back all in one day, and that's like a 2.5 to 3 hour flight each way, and had to work that day in Boston, in which I was talking almost non-stop for hours, and that was exhausting. And then yesterday my cat passed, which was, I have 3 cats, but it was one of my old cats. We have 2 cats that are elderly and 1 cat that's only a couple of years old. And the 2 cats that are elderly, we adopted them old. They were ones that kind of nobody really wanted from the Humane Society, and so we adopted them and decided it would be great to have a retirement home for some of those cats. But the downside is you get attached to the cats and they only stick around for a couple of years. So we did have our cat for a couple of years and were surprisingly devastated when he passed. So it's been a tiring couple of days, but I am excited to get into my boxes here, and hopefully you guys are excited to see what's in here. Today I am doing a Fashom unboxing video, and if you're unfamiliar with Fashom, I'll talk about it as I get this box open because it always takes me forever anyways. Fashom is a styling service on an app. You just request a box as you want it, so it is not a subscription like some of the other ones. After a few days, your stylist sends you probably a couple outfit choices, typically maybe 7-8 pieces. Out of that, you choose 5 of them to get sent to you. A couple weeks later, they ship it out, and again, keep what you like, send back what you don't like. There's no styling fee for the first couple of boxes, but then I think it's $15 styling fee after that, but it does get applied to anything that you purchase. And oh, the beautiful thing about Fashom. Now, I want to talk a little bit more when I do these boxes just about how I feel about them, because I don't really do that. I just say, hey, here's what I got and here's what I'm keeping. But Fashom, I really like Fashom because I feel like quality-wise, I'm getting between Nadine West and Stitch Fix, and price-wise similar between Nadine West and Stitch Fix. And it's nice to have some boxes that are a little bit less expensive but still good quality clothing. And it seems like almost everything I end up getting is like 40 bucks, but the beautiful thing is that's before you get a discount, which you do get 25% off if you buy 3 or more items. And I love that. I don't think I've ever not bought 3 or more items, which is surprising because a lot of boxes I just buy one thing. So let's dig into this. This time I requested 2 fully styled outfits because I just thought that would be a fun thing to do. I really like getting styled outfits versus, you know, mix and match pieces. So it was a little bit challenging to get the 2 outfits with only sending myself 5 items, but I think I got a couple outfits here, so let's go ahead and dig in and see what we've got. Okay, first off, we have a jacket, a beautiful faux suede jacket. It is I call it a mauve color. It is by Skies Are Blue. So again, with Fashom, it's more affordable and you're getting brands that you get in other boxes. I know I got Skies Are Blue in mix and match boxes. And it is a, let's see, does it have a zip in the front? I don't think it does. I think it's like, it's just supposed to hang draped open. And it does have zip pockets here, and I really like it. So far so good. Next up, we have this camo sweater, which I thought this was really unique. This is obviously not one that I would get to wear to work unless maybe casual Fridays. But I like camo, and I thought the sweater looked really cute, and it is quite soft. This is by Workshop Republic Clothing. Both of these are extra smalls, and it doesn't look too oversized, I don't think. So this is actually a contender to keep. Next up, we have a plaid shirt. So it is a kind of a navy and mauve and light blue colors on it. This is by Skies Are Blue again in an extra small. And this one actually looks decent size, like I'm not going to be drowning in it. So that would be fantastic. So there you go. I think it's got pockets on the front, both sides. No, just on the left side. So we'll see, that'll look great with the jacket. So excited about that. Then we have leggings that have kind of a faux leather stripe here on the sides. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can. So that, and this is by Carmen Mark Valvo. And again, in an extra small. I love the faux leather detail that it has. They don't look like they should be too obscenely long. They do look high-waisted, so I am hopeful on these. And then we have from Hot Kiss the pair of skinny jeans with a red stripe down the side. Well, I guess it's red, white, and black stripe down the side. You know, these are supposed to have some lift in them and be extra stretchy. They do feel quite stretchy. And these are size 0. So we shall see if these fit. The stripes are very different than anything I have. These look tiny, so I am slightly concerned if these are maybe a junior size. So we'll see if I can actually get these on. If these are extreme stretch, then I'm gonna be stretching them to the max perhaps. Okay, so from a 2-outfit perspective, even though the red stripe here doesn't quite go with the mauve, I'm going to put the red stripe jeans with the plaid and mauve jacket, and then the camo sweater with the leggings. So let's go ahead and get these on. Alright, so outfit number 1, I really like the sweater. I feel like it fits great. The sleeve length is perfect. This tightness of the sleeves is perfect. The sweater isn't way too big or baggy. It's maybe slightly oversized, but this time it actually feels like it fits well the way an oversized sweater is supposed to. My only issue that I have with this is it is a drop shoulder. I don't know that I love a drop shoulder. So that's my only thing that I don't love about this sweater, but that might not be a deal breaker. I'm sure I'd get used to that. Again, we'll see where price levels are to see if I want to keep or not, but this is a definite contender. I really like this. The leggings, they fit really well all the way around. Lengthwise, they're really not too long. They're not, I wouldn't call them perfect length, but they are very close to perfect. There's only like a very slight scrunching at the bottom because they're slightly too long. But I like the faux leather detail on the sides. I think that's really cute. So again, this is a definite contender. My only issue is I actually wish that the waistband up here was tighter. I wish it felt like it feels really tight from like the knee down for some reason, even though I have tiny calves. But up here, I just wish it was more snug, and I felt like it was like holding me in more. But still, I really like these, and that's a very minor complaint. So let's go ahead to the next outfit. Okay, so outfit number 2, you will see I do not have side stripe, and that's because those were in fact junior size, and I could not get them up. But I do like them. I will look at the price and consider if I do want to size up in them. So there's still a possibility, but you guys will not get to see them because they made it to here. Done. Okay, so we have the plaid top and the jacket from outfit number 2. And I really like the jacket. What do you guys think? It doesn't feel like it's too big. Because there's no zipper on it though, like usually they look slightly big open and then you zip it up and it's all like, oh, cute and form-fitting. So obviously I have to wear this open. What do you guys think of this? I would love to hear opinions, but I really like it, and if the price is right, I think I may end up keeping it. So let's move on to the flannel shirt. This shirt is, oh, my sleeve fell down. It does have tab sleeves on it. Actually, I'll leave one rolled down. If it was rolled down, the sleeves would be too long, so I would definitely wear these with the tab sleeves rolled up, and I think that's really cute too. I think this fits pretty well. Definitely up here, it's very fitting, and then it's obviously a little bit more flowy here in the bottom. And let me kind of do a front tuck here. So what do you guys think? I like it. This is definite contender to keep. I like the colors. I like the navy and mauve, and I think it looks cute with the jacket. So you guys tell me what you think. All right, let's do the recap now. All right, guys, so I really enjoyed the 2 outfits that Fashom sent me, and let's go over the paperwork that they sent. All right, so first of all, you have the price sheet, and then you kind of have the frequently asked questions, kind of what to do next, so they provide you that info on the service. So to go over the price sheet, first of all, we have a stylist note now. So Fashom is one that they started up, it almost seems like earlier this year or sometime last year, but they're a relatively new styling service and they continue to evolve over time, and they just seem to be getting better and better, which is awesome. And so here's my stylist note. She says, "Hello Jennifer, thank you for shopping with Fashom and welcome to another styling session. I took a look at your profile, preferences, previous styling sessions, and YouTube channel." Parentheses, she put, "So appreciate all your feedback, thoughts, and energy. To get a good idea of your personal style and what you're looking for, I'm excited to show you the outfits I have chosen for you from our latest fashion collection. I hope you love rocking these outfits in Indiana and can't wait to check out your next video, Malls." So thank you, Molly. You are fantastic. I loved it. Now let's go over the prices. First of all, we have the Sky Surge Blue biker jacket. It says with front zipper. I don't see a front zipper unless it's just referring to the zippers on the pockets. I really like this. I do have a jacket that is similarly colored, so that's my one hesitation with this. This is $54, which is a great price for a jacket, so definite contender here. Then we have the faux leather panel leggings, an extra small, and these are $42. Definitely liked these. They're unique. I don't have leggings with this kind of faux leather in it. I mean, I have like photo leggings, but this like, you know, regular cotton fabric with the faux leather panel, I don't have anything like that. So again, definite contender because I really liked these. And then this is the Skies Are Blue front and back button plaid shirt, $44. I love, it's very casual, it's very cute. Contender. Shoot, I want to keep everything, don't I? Alright, then we have this long sleeve camo pullover sweater. It is $43. Again, really like this, fits really well. The only thing I wasn't sure on was the drop sleeve on it, so still not sure what to do there. And then we have these jeans, and they are called the junior size striped skinny jeans, so that explains it. They are junior size, but they are $43, which is a great price for jeans. And I like the side stripe detail. That's definitely one that's grown on me as I've seen them on other people's videos. They advertise this extreme stretch, and so I may be sizing up in these. So I really didn't tell you guys in that recap anything about what I'm going to keep because I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. I mean, I don't want to keep all of it. So, so the subtotal for all of it is $226. If you buy 3 or more items, you get 25% off, and that takes off $56.50, which would make the total for the entire box $169.50. I do have some credits from prior referrals. Thank you guys so much for using my referral. That helps so much, and hopefully you guys got a little bit off of your boxes as well. So I forgot to mention that. For the rest of you, if you use my referral link below, you get $10 off of your first box. I also get $10. I don't get to see who does it, so I can't call out people's names individually, but thank you all who used my link. I'm thinking, I mean, I really just want to go with 3 items because I do not want to spend too much on this box because I also have a Transcend and a Stitch Fix here waiting to be opened, and I know that I have a Wannable on the way and a Nadine West coming soon. Ooh, I think I get too many boxes, guys. I think that's what it comes down to. But I try to space out my spending in them and not buy too much for one box. So, what do I think I'm going to keep from this box? I'm going to make a decision right now, guys. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, guys, I've literally been sitting here for 5 minutes just staring at this price sheet trying to decide, and this isn't going very well. So, here's what I think I'm going to keep, guys. I think I am going to keep the camel sweater because I have black jeans and other leggings that this could go with, and I think it's a great casual sweater. Then I think I'm going to go with the sizing up on the junior size striped jeans and go with the faux leather flannel leggings. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to keep the jacket just because I do have one in similar color and I haven't even found a chance to wear it. And then the plaid shirt was, I liked it, but I found one that fit a little bit better in my last Nadine West. So I think I maybe have good substitutes for those. So I'm going to keep the other 3 items. So that'll bring my cost down to probably like $31, $32 per item, which will put my total a little bit over $90. All right, that was hard. That was a challenge to figure out what to keep, but that was a lot of fun. I really like Fashom. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you have not subscribed, then please do so below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.